Need a cute gift idea? The supplies for this hot cocoa bar cost less than $20. Hello, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure to ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. Here are all of the supplies that we're going to be using to make our hot chocolate bar, including a free SVG design that I have created specifically for this project. And I will have the link for all of the supplies and the free download either in the description of this video or in the blog post. We're going to start in Cricut Design Space, where I already have the SVG file uploaded, and it is already sized according to my project needs, but you can resize this however you need. I'm ready to cut, so I'm going to click on Make It. I am using iron-on vinyl, so I want to make sure and mirror. I'm going to click on Next, and I'm using Everyday Iron-On. Then I can load my mat and click Start to have the Cricut cut out the design. To weed the design, I'm going to start in the upper corner and just peel back. And there is our weeded design. So now we can bring in our heat press and get it warming up. I've got my easy press up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit with a 42nd degree timer, and I found this setting on the Cricut heat settings website, and I am going to place my decal, make sure it's going the right way. That would be bad. And I am just gonna eyeball it. I am an eyeballer. You could use regular vinyl for this project as well. I prefer to use iron-on vinyl because I think it sticks much better to the wood than adhesive vinyl does. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my heat press over the top and start the timer. And then this is a cool peel, so I'm just going to wait until this liner is cool to the touch before I peel it back. Our liner is cool, so now we can peel that back. And look at how cute that is. Now that the box is decorated, we can work on filling our cute little jars. I'm just gonna open it up. Now you wanna make sure that these are clean, of course, and completely dry inside before you put anything in. We're going to start with our hot chocolate mix. And I've got a piece of paper here that I'm gonna be using as a funnel. Now, of course, as a reminder, you never want to touch other people's food. So if there's any chance of you touching their food, you should be wearing rubber gloves. I'm going to pour in the hot cocoa mix. And my funnel works perfectly. And then we can close that up. I love these little jars because it helps keep the moisture out of the bottle. Plus they're just super cute and they kind of look like milk jars. Next, we're going to fill with our dehydrated marshmallows. And I don't think we'll need the funnel for these. Well, aren't those just the cutest little thing? And lastly, we have our crushed peppermint candy. Now remember this, I had to put in my little blender and it really turned it into a fine powder. So I think that's perfect for hot chocolate. Then we can bring in our cute little hot chocolate bar box, put in our candy cane powder, our hot cocoa, and our marshmallows. How cute is that? Such a simple handmade gift with a personal touch. And if you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.